Hello friends. So, is your engine running hot, or maybe your cooling fan is acting strangely? What exactly is P0494? Well, the P0494 code stands for Cooling Fan Speed Low. This basically means that the engine control module, or ECM, has detected that the cooling fan is running slower than what's required. If you leave this issue unresolved, it can actually cause poor cooling, engine overheating, and even reduce your AC's performance. Here are some common symptoms of P0494. The check engine light comes on, your engine starts overheating in traffic, the AC cooling feels weak, the cooling fan runs too slow or not at all, and you might even notice a burning smell from the engine bay. If you spot any of these symptoms, you'll want to fix it before it leads to some serious engine damage. Alright, let's dive into where you can find these key components to diagnose that pesky P0494 code. First up, we have the cooling fan motor. You'll typically find this behind the radiator, mounted right in front of the engine. Next, there's the cooling fan control module. It's usually located near the cooling fan, and sometimes you'll even find it inside the engine fuse box. Now, let's talk about the coolant temperature sensor, or CTS. This one is usually found near the thermostat housing or on the engine block. Moving on, the engine control module, or ECM, is usually located under the hood or tucked behind the dashboard. Lastly, we have the wiring and relays, which run between the fan motor, the control module, and the ECM. Oh, and here's a little tip for you. If your car has multiple fans, make sure to check both for proper operation. Alright, let's talk about some of the most common reasons you might see that P0494 code pop up. First, a faulty cooling fan motor. Sometimes the fan motor just gets worn out over time, or maybe it's clogged with dirt. Next, a defective cooling fan control module. If this part is failing, your fan might not be getting enough power to do its job. Another common cause is a faulty coolant temperature sensor. If it's giving incorrect readings, the fan could end up running at a low speed when you really need it to be working harder. Loose or damaged wiring is also a big culprit. Any issue with the wiring can disrupt the power supply to your fan. And finally, if you have a weak battery or an alternator issue, low voltage could keep the fan from working properly. So, how do you fix a P0494 code? Well, here's a step-by-step approach. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code. Next, inspect the cooling fan motor. Check if it's spinning at a low speed or maybe not moving at all. Then, test the cooling fan control module by looking for burnt spots or damaged connectors. After that, check the coolant temperature sensor, or CTS, and use a multimeter to test its readings. Don't forget to inspect all the wiring and connectors. Look out for corrosion, loose connections, or even melted wires. It's also a good idea to test your battery and alternator voltage because if the voltage is low, the fan just won't work right. Finally, reset the code and take your car for a test drive to see if the issue comes back. So, just to sum things up, the P0494 code is usually caused by a faulty cooling fan motor, a bad control module, or wiring issues. Fixing this problem will help you prevent overheating, improve your air conditioning performance, and protect your engine in the long run. Hey, if you want more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0248, turbocharger wastegate solenoid high, and P0249, turbocharger wastegate solenoid low. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.